Ripe cocoa pods are harvested directly from the tree.
The beans are extracted from the pod and prepared for fermentation. The beans ferment naturally, developing deeper flavor compounds. The fermented beans are dried under controlled conditions. The dried beans are packed and transported to the factory.
The beans enter the processing line. The beans are roasted to enhance flavor and aroma. The roasted beans are cracked and separated into nibs. The nibs are ground into liquid cocoa mass. The chocolate base is refined and aerated through conching.
The chocolate is tempered to stabilize its crystal structure. A smooth wafer batter is prepared for baking. The batter is pressed between heated plates to form wafer sheets. The wafer sheet emerges crisp and evenly structured. The wafers cool to maintain structural crispness. A precise chocolate layer is applied to the wafer surface. Another wafer layer is aligned onto the chocolate base. A second chocolate layer bonds the structure further. The multi-layer slab reaches its full internal structure.
The stabilized slab advances toward precision cutting.
The slab is cut into long layered strips. The strips are aligned for precise portioning. Each strip is portioned into uniform segments.
The segments move toward grouping and bonding.
The surface is gently conditioned to ensure proper chocolate adhesion. The bonded structure stabilizes under controlled temperature before coating. The tempered chocolate curtain begins coating the wafer structure. The coating forms a continuous outer shell around the structure.
The layered slab is compressed for uniform thickness and bonding.
Excess chocolate is removed to achieve precise coating thickness.
Light pressure ensures structural bonding. The coated structure enters controlled cooling to solidify the shell. The chocolate shell fully crystallizes into a stable outer layer.
Distinct separation grooves are formed through controlled surface pressing. Each coated unit undergoes automated surface inspection. The base surface is refined for uniform finish.
The fully formed unit advances to final packaging. The finished chocolate unit approaches the wrapping system. A protective inner foil layer is prepared for wrapping.
The foil layer seals closely around the chocolate surface. The outer packaging layer is positioned around the product. The inner wrap is compressed for uniform sealing. The outer wrapper is sealed through controlled heat application. The packaging ends are sealed and trimmed precisely. Each packaged unit undergoes automated verification. The wrapped bars are organized into transport trays. The finished products are prepared for shipment. The pallet is transferred to the loading area. The shipment is secured inside the transport vehicle.
The shipment moves toward the regional distribution center.
The pallet is received at the distribution facility. The products are temporarily stored before retail dispatch.
The shipment is prepared for local retail delivery. The products arrive at the retail location.
The trays are opened for shelf placement.
The KitKat bars are arranged on the retail shelf.
A KitKat bar is selected from the shelf. The packaged bar is placed on a table. The outer wrapper is opened carefully.
The 4-finger chocolate bar is revealed.
The bar maintains its uniform shape and structure. The fingers are positioned at both ends of the 10.5 cm KitKat bar with the grooves centered. The bar is held steady as one finger separates a segment. One finger is separated along the molded groove.
One separated finger is held before eating.
The finger is raised toward the mouth. The chocolate shell makes contact before the bite. A clean bite separates part of the wafer finger.
The layered wafer interior is visible after the bite. Another finger is separated for consumption.
The second finger is raised steadily. A second bite reveals the layered structure again. Another clean bite separates the layers. The bar snaps cleanly along its separation groove. The final finger is eaten, completing the journey from cocoa beans to the finished KitKat bar.